whenever I post my new video, you guys be notified. Woo! Now let's get it right into the video. So as you guys can see, there's so much cheese. Today we're at a farmhouse. Today, this is just gonna be a little video. We're gonna be doing Qurbani. As you guys can see, the sheeps in their natural habitat. These are Australian sheeps. Just to give you an idea about Australian sheeps, and also happy Eid Mubarak to everyone. And happy Eid Mubarak from me and my family. I hope you guys had a good Eid. You guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way whenever I post my new video, you guys be notified. Stay tuned, stay safe. See you on the next vlog. Goodbye.